Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix missing language switch key or globe key in keyboard on Realme 16 Pro 5G. So let us start. So if I open my uh, keyboard, you can see I have a language switch key or globe key is missing. So to fix it, just open your keyboard settings. You can see it's now opened. So first of all, make sure you have more than one language added. So you can see I have only one language added, English US. So to add another language, just tap on languages and then tap on add keyboard. Now go to the language that you want and then tap on it to select it. Okay, you can see we have various languages. You can also search for your language. So let me search mine, Gondi, okay, Devanagari. So let me tap on it and then tap on done button. You can see it's now added. You can see I have two languages added. You might have more than two. Okay, you can see after that just tap on preferences and then come to keys, this section, and in this section you can see here we have language switch key. Change languages with the dedicated key. This hides the emoji key, so we need to turn it on. So to turn it on, just tap on this toggle button. Let me tap on it. You can see it's now turned on. And now if I go to my keyboard, you can see I have language switch key or globe key over here. So it's now fixed. So let me tap on OK button. So to switch to another language, just tap on it. Let me tap on it. You can see it's now switched. And to go to another one, just tap on it again. Let me tap on it. You can see we are now on another language. And also if you want, you can just tap and hold on it and you will have this pop-up, and you can switch to another language from here as well. Okay, so just go to the language that you want and then tap on it to select it. Okay, so I want this one, Gondi. Let me tap on it. You can see it's now switched, but I want English US. Okay, so let me tap on it. You can see. So that's it. Please like, comment and subscribe for more videos.